not enough good.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without.
Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm a Billy Mom of 2 Vlogs, and I am legally blind. So today's video, I wanted to show a talking thermometer that is affordable, that you can use on your children or yourself. And yeah, so this one I found on Amazon. It's made by Medline. I got it for $26 something, I believe. I'll put it in the description down below if you are interested in grabbing one. It is extremely simple. Like, no, you don't have to get no apps, nothing on your phone. You just hit like you put it on your forehead, or you put it on, there's the adapter that like you can put it in the ear, and then you just hit the button and it talks to you. So, and here I will show you a demonstration of how I do that with my little man. All right, I'm going to show you how this works. I put it on the little man's forehead, and the button closer to me is like the very first button. You push that, it's the biggest button.
Your body temperature is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
And you have no temperature. And it will tell me exactly what it is. It actually has a light and everything, and it says like what it is on the display, but who needs that when it tells you?
Your body temperature is 98.7 degrees Fahrenheit.
Exactly what it is. Bada beam, bada boom. Right? I hope you enjoyed this. Comment down below. Let me know if there's any talking thermometers or devices for moms or dads that are accessible for parenting. Let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, God bless and deuces, y'all.
You are the